Hey everyone, Professor Ratajczyk here. Very excited for our final business intelligence class. And we're going to have a lot of things going on in that class. So there's going to be a bit of reading. So from chapter content, we're going to do some reading. We're going to do some handouts that will really give you the real life, up to date, as of today, kind of what's going on in the BI world. We're going to be talking about the spectrum of business intelligence. So this class is really a capstone of your entire experience. There's going to be some activities that you're required to do. First of all, it's a writing intensive class. So we're going to work through writing a business intelligence template. We're going to build a data warehouse. And we are also going to do a couple other things. Celebration of scholarship is required. So work in teams of 2 to 3 to do a celebration of scholarship. And you can go to kaggle.com, data.gov, or va.gov. Some great websites there with information. There's also the MUDAC competition if you're interested in that as well. There's some opportunities in this course to do some service. So there's an assignment where you have to complete at least 2 hours of service using your business intelligence skills. So we'll talk more about that, but be mindful that if you've got a project within the community that you're interested in doing, it could be a staff member here, it could be helping out in a classroom using analytics or Excel work. That's also a requirement of this class. And we're going to build that data warehouse, as I mentioned. So a lot of stuff happening in this class. It's going to be very different. There's not a lot of Excel work, not a lot of models that you're building. We're going to use some lucid charts, create some diagrams, but it's not going to be day-to-day assignments like you've been getting used to with data mining and data analytics. They're going to be assignments that, if they're 5-minute assignments, they'll be due for next class. If I'm asking you to write something or work through some material, that'll probably be a week-long assignment or 2 weeks of assignment, but you're going to feel a burn if you don't do those assignments. Okay, so this is that class where if you're waiting to the very last minute, I'm going to catch you. Or rather the assessment, the grading is going to catch you. So just be mindful of the senioritis. I know it happens. I've been teaching this for 5 years, and we've got some people that had some senioritis because they already got their jobs, which is becoming more and more of an opportunity for our BI majors. Just be mindful that I'm not going to give you an independent study in the fall or summer if you fail the class. Nobody's ever failed this class, but just be mindful of your time. I know some of you are in marketing research and strategies this semester. We have had students do both of those and the BI final class, so it is possible to do all of those 400 level classes at the same time. But just be mindful that you are going to learn a heck of a lot of stuff in this class that is career oriented. Like not to say that none of the other stuff was. It absolutely was. It was technique based and lexicon and building up your skill sets and your toolkit. This one is what's going to impress the employers. So I know a couple of you already have jobs lined up. This is what's going to get you that next job or keep you employed. Guarantee it that this is going to be a useful class for you. You're going to learn things that people are like, how the heck did you pull that off at the undergrad? How did you learn about data warehouses and how to build one at the undergrad? How did you learn how to do this or that? Those kinds of things. So, little different experience for you. Celebration of scholarship, the service, the writing intensive, building the data warehouse, and then a bit of reading. So, and of course, writing that paper, which I don't think the paper will be too bad. You just can't wait to the last minute, right? Don't wait till April to write this thing. It'll just hurt you in the long run. All right, that's all I got. See ya next week.